What's up, guys? This is your epoxy grout specialist here at Epoxy Grout Formula and Tile. That being said, hit the subscribe, hit the like button if y'all like it, and let's get on with it. So at this job here, I was called and paid to go out and do an epoxy grout training session. Get to the job site and all the guys speak Spanish. So I had to shoot the session in Spanish, which is fine. I went ahead and uploaded this video to my Spanish channel. That's right, I have a Spanish channel which I typically translate my English videos to, but I guess in this case it's gonna be the other way around. I start the session by introducing to everyone the epoxy grout formula. EG formula is important because it helps you get the job done easily. The product is relatively new, a few years, verified purchase, 5 stars reviews. Now in this video, I'm actually using a different epoxy grout than my previous videos. Just like the previous videos, this epoxy grout comes with 2 components to mix, the hardener and the filler. This hardener also contains the color pigment. However, you may come across some epoxies that the colorant is separate from the hardener, which requires 3 components to mix. Guys, can y'all guess which brand epoxy grout I'm using on this job from what I've shown so far? Drop it down in the comments and let me know. So this epoxy grout session took about 30-45 minutes. So it is a long video, which I'm not doing today, but I am giving you guys a quick preview of what it is. As you can see, I have a drill in my hand and I am explaining them how important it is to get the mixing right. Almost every step is important throughout the whole epoxy grout installation process. Which reminds me, I'm working on an exclusive epoxy grout training session video. I mean, all my tips and tricks on how to master and handle epoxy grout for all who's interested. After explaining every important detail with mixing epoxy grout, I start installing and stuffing in every grout joint thoroughly. Every installer's aware that epoxy grout could be really difficult to work with, but now, after teaching so many people at different job sites, showing them the power of EG formula, they concluded that epoxy grout isn't that bad after all. So make that change to epoxy grout formula and start cleaning up epoxy at ease. Clean it up like a pro. Don't be fooled by the other videos, which they don't really show you the final results with the camera up close. Right here at Epoxy Grout Formula, we make sure that you get the results that you're looking for. Allow me to help you. I've done hundreds of thousands of square feet of epoxy grout literally and lost thousands of dollars when I started, to the point where now I came up on top by mastering it. Now, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out when I come out with that how to handle and master epoxy grout video. Thanks, guys.